Jaintia Hills Development Society JHDS rynkat ka jingiatreilang bat ka Ophis jang ka District Social Welfare Officer ka West Jaintia Hills mynta kasi ka pynlong ka awareness program hapoh ka hall jang ka Skul Tpep-pale Secondary School Jowai ban pynshai khynnah Skul halor ka Jingma Jong ka kiat bat kiwei de ki jingdih pynbuaid kibala jyllei hapoh ka Sor Jowai hakani ka sngi la yoru ka jingbatay halor ka Nashamukt Bharat Abhiyan ka badai ka scheme jang ka Sorkar Kmie ban pendunai ka jingdih Drok ya kabala ay na ka Madam J. District Social Welfare Officer West Jaintia Hills Shuh hakani kasngi la Iphuh Iphieng bat Pynkham Ngam Jylliew Shuh ya ka Jingma Jong lingba ka drama lingkot daki khynnah Skul jang ka Tpep-pale Secondary School Jowai Shwa kani ka program la donru ka jingiatreilang halor ka ju ka phang bala yashim mynta daki khynnah Skul jong ka teka Skul ya ka bala sedang na kasnong Tpep-pale dulong yong pia po Skul bat pynkut hapoh pelau jong kani ka Skul.
Hi Trisha. Hey Natasha.
Oh, here she comes.
How are you?
Why are you even talking to us? We are not your friends.
Why?
Look at you. You have no class, no style. You're ugly. Ew.
Look at what you're wearing. No wonder no boys want you.
Yinny, what took you so long? We were all waiting for you. Sorry, I was with my friends at school. You spend way too much time with your friends. I'm your younger sister. Look at my marks, and look at yours. Failing in every subject? You're such a dumb one. Yinny, is this the time to come home? Sorry, I was with my friends. Because of you, I had to leave my friend's party and come looking for you. I said I'm sorry, okay? You're always at your parties anyways. Don't you talk to me like that. I am your mom. Stop shouting at me and just leave me alone!
Hey girl, where were you?
Sorry, Rocky. You know how it is at home. I just completely lost track of time.
Hey, Vinny, you look so stressed. Here, I have a little something that will relax you a bit.
This? Sorry, I don't want this poison.
Poison? You mean you don't trust your own friend?
No. It's not that.
Call me when you're done being a kid, okay?
Gilly, I'm on a business trip, and I still took time to see your mark sheet. And you failed in 2 subjects.
Sorry, Dad. I did study.
Stop lying to me. I don't trust you. Your birthday party tomorrow is cancelled, and you're not getting any gift. Now get off the phone and study.
If you try me, be warned. This is no game. If given a chance, I will drive you insane. You will regret you tried me. They always do. You will come to me, not me to you. I'll take and take until you have nothing more to give. When I'm finished, you'll be lucky you have lived. I'll vanish your body, I'll control your mind. I'll own you completely. Your soul will be mine.
You're ugly. You're such a dumb one. Don't you talk to me like that. No wonder no boys want you.
I don't trust you.
You're ugly. You're such a dumb one. Don't you talk to me like that. No wonder no boys want you.
I don't trust you.
I'm more costly than diamonds, more precious than gold. You can try me, then don't say you were not told. My power is awesome. Try me and see. If you don't, you may never know what's in me. The tricks, the shapes, the visions you see, I want you to know they're all gifts from me. If you need me, I'm easy to find. I live all around you, in schools and towns. I promise you, you will steal and lie. You will do anything just to get high. Just try me once, I'll let you go. But try me again, and I will own your soul. Now I am your master, and you are my slave. I will accompany you to your grave. I destroy homes and I tear families apart. I take children away, and that is just the start. You could have said no and walked away. Instead, you decided to stay, huh? Now that you've met me, what will you do? Will you try me again? The decision is all up to you.
Guinea? Guinea, are you okay? Mom! I don't know what's happening to Guinea. Guinea? Guinea! My child! Don't worry. It's going to be okay. I am there for you. Mom, I wish things were like they used to be. When I would say I love you, and you would love me. Me caring for you, and you caring for me. I had a serious problem, but you didn't even care. And now when I've become a laughing stock, you're trying to say you're there? You weren't there when I needed you. My emptiness turned into hate. Sorry, Mom, but now it's too late.
I'm so sorry, Guinea. I should have supported you.
You're so special to us. You live in my heart, and no one can keep us apart.
We love you, so don't be afraid. My child, my love, is never too late. It's never too late.
Precious. Who are social media? You social media kita standard temat, yuk man ngamak standard temat. Udi kiat, udi droks, udi secret. Temat lam di secret, temat I don't have the standard. I don't have the class. Ladang di biar, temat syak dicek kau. Jadi ujang, ke kes wajah sulong. Khynnah skul cem kiwadi jadi kiat di biar. Mana kelam ya kiwei pa ayo ha khon kiwei pa ile awak ki khon fi di biar ang kiwei pa kami. What's the problem? Ayo la ju di biar hi. Siang tu ki hau kam te yu pun chlor. Yu pun chlor. Yu pun chlor. Mju sedang minum drugs. Sedang syuapi ni Coca-Cola. Sedang syuapi ni fruity. Sedang syuapi 7 up. Kini lepek robot. Hapoh kibitor thok kami alcohol content. Siapa pek nadum untuk sengi show di cold drinks. Pek itu thok tu. M alcohol content. Lada M alcohol content siapa kena hamdi. Ketua tok starting. Bol sen ki company hawa snai ke jingdih pynbuaid ki kisna direct da ko pynbuaid. Kisna hajak sin. Permelian ni ke tepi nyopi. Kole culture and social status. Hey, kamu ambil example mo. Iu jalan senai. Tu sak kamu kon yang Shahrukh Khan. Kamu pi Krishna. Sak kamu hai sak kamu. Ni hai. Ya ki drugs. Bon sen manawan na kayu saman high class kamu te. Kamu haplang ba hijuk sak. Tapi ki kena na ni ngam trai ki bi pai ki ko sama kena tong tong. Shuaw ya kre ki lok jet. Kini ki lok pi ki perkhat ni start tep na ki lok pi ko perkhat ni jingjak. Bang dulok banyunya menjur he. Ham ang wa igi Jowai manalai sa Amerika kita man sakloi he. Ham sang kai wato mo lada uni to khon yang ke aktor temat ngale man law naik ngale man aktor ha kiman Jowai he to man aktor. Ham kwa ya ta status. Kawasu kong santam to agi am ta curiosity. Ima kan step pi mati. kaman mana? Pidi biar kaman mana? Lada am tang pi lok yu ang di biar kle ada ko om mo sini di ita lah dengan option carbohydrates energy. Kajing ang ka curiosity ka mot wa, yung curiosity intepri. Katai ko reaksi si reaksi bha. Ketika attention seeker, bonsen kawi ada try di pada klep ke Droks. Wa ang ini kena di Droks ni. Wa mio i maya. Wa amo burung ingat. Abingat.
Ang akan di palat, ia kecil lai pelakop. Kau akan diam Katolik. Ang palat ia kecil pelakop mohon. Ang wadi kau pertanyaan pilih. Katile program ni, menurut condor lagi. Bunuh condor ini di resource person. Menurut condor lagi. Waktu kawina ka anto mohon reveal, mohon penjoi kemat lagi. Jadi orang cua ni ikong lada tok kan kubur ki lada tok wa tempat ki pertut i wan ba i orang dalai lem lagi. Jadi dah ke program tu MI wagi ni drug addict sakhi wagi perlong yang ki jumpu MD drug sama dah kering ki emu yo media ki. Mepun kena media. Nrei tu AE dah kan ni social famous person kami ini sportsman ma kami itu nomor wai puna kita kelam kuda pak kelam kuda AE hapoh all the radio ro itu ro condor ni yang tu ada kior tu ada damu di drugs le condor pada ro pagi betul ya ki wa itu dah orang kong iya hoi yo ki wa di drugs wa i de ye